Hello, Oracle Mystic here, bringing love and light and beauty into your lives. Creation, metamorphosis. Remember your dreams, your thoughts. Shape your future, your words. Create today. Your choices become your reality. That is the hummingbird's beautiful message. Bringing in the love and light and beauty into your hearts, into your mind, and your life. Metamorphosis, the beautiful butterfly that changes its beauty and colors. Coming out. Trust the process and be patient. Becoming cannot be rushed. Change is beautiful. Remember that. Life are full of changes. New changes is better. New changes are happening. New changes, welcome them. Because we have to have change in our life. So welcome in these beautiful creatures of nature and of the Creator. Thank you so much, and so it is.